welcome to the kitchen and welcome to Ryan Riley. Thank you for coming, Ryan. This is Ryan from Life Kitchen, who's come in today to do some cake decorating.
I have. Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. You excited?
Yeah, oh my god. I'm not very good at it, by the way.
So I've got a really exciting cake today though that I've never done before, not for YouTube anyway, and we've called it a phantasmagorical fantasy buttercream cake, and it's all rainbowish.
This sounds difficult.
We're going to be using lots of different pastel colours of buttercream. So I've loaded some bags up already, so I've got like small star nozzle, closed star nozzle, small one, small open star, large open star. We're also going to do some mixed bags as well. So have you done that before?
Yes.
Yeah, oh you have done it all right, I'm
But
going.
I've done it terribly still. I mean, you know,
Okay.
even as a food stylist, when I've been hired to do shoots, I always turn down these types of ones
Oh,
because
do you?
I'm not that good at it.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
I'd rather, so this is my masterclass.
Yeah, I mean you specialise in obviously more savoury food, would you say?
Yeah,
and
definitely.
I'm going to be learning a lot more about that soon. Because could you tell me a little bit about what Life Kitchen is all about?
Yeah, so Life Kitchen is my free cookery school for people living with cancer. We do cookery classes sort of around the country and in southwest France. That's a brilliant, nice addition to my
Lovely.
schedule. And also, all of the classes are free, and it's all about when people are undergoing cancer treatment, they often have a change of taste due to chemotherapy or radiotherapy or different elements of the cancer treatment. So they have this point where they reach in the treatment where food, for most of them, doesn't taste of anything, or tastes metallic or bland or just really unpalatable. So what we try to do is create a lot of recipes that really help give their flavour back, which is quite a narcissistic thing to say. I'm like, yeah, by the way, I can just help you make flavourful recipes, but it's actually not just that. We work with a guy called Professor Barry Smith.
That's Barry now.
Barry, he is sort of a world leader in the taste and the senses. He founded the Centre, now let me get this right, for the study of the senses at SOAS in London, the University of London. He understands about taste, flavour, the nerves, everything that we need to know about how our taste receptors fire,
Yeah.
which is really interesting for when we're developing recipes. So we look at how to build flavour into recipes through layering, different types of ingredients and different techniques, and then also specialist sort of ingredients that we put in there to fire those receptors, to stimulate those nerves. And it's an interesting.
Really interesting.
Yeah, I'm not the clever one.
You're
I
gonna-
use the clever
well,
people.
Barry's the clever one. But for now, we're going to go back to our buttercream. Let's do like 3 colours. I've got a bit of pink. If you can do some yellow.
This is my first task,
Yeah.
and I already feel the pressure. I keep my baking to a really simple, you know, flourless chocolate cakes, really good cookies. Like, I love baking, I love eating it. I'm not the best at doing it.
Line them up like this. And then what we're going to do is let's do a nice open star nozzle for this. So then I'll get a bigger bag, put a larger nozzle in, try and keep the sort of ends.
Into that nozzle.
Yeah, just kind of give them a couple of shakes.
This is already going to change my life.
Good. And then another really nice idea with the petal nozzle is just using 2 colours in a bag. But yeah, so if I put sort of a bit of buttercream down. Oh, I didn't put the nozzle in! This is me chatting too much. I'll get the nozzle in first. That one's got like a couple of colours in, so we'll get more of a blurred effect on that. Just want to do one more 2-tone with a petal nozzle. So let's fill up a bag each again in the same way we did. Yeah, like a couple of tablespoons worth.
Look at the difference. Look at the difference here.
Holes here. Right, okay, I reckon we've got plenty to be going on with here. It's quite a plain vanilla sponge, just vanilla bean sponge.
Beautiful.
But we have made it all marbled inside.
This is cake dreams right here.
One for me, and we've crumb coated these already, so obviously...
What's your top tip for a crumb coat? Because that is where I fail every time.
I find sometimes that you kind of, all the crumbs come off of the
Yeah,
knife.
they come and it's not anywhere near as smooth
Yeah,
as this.
but if you really struggle, sandwich it together with your filling first and put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes and then get it out again and then do your crumb coat, so that will just kind of chill off a bit more and it will hold it steady. This cake, it's going to be made up of all different types of piping techniques. So we're going to have swirly roses, we're going to have little dots of all different sizes, we're going to have some ruffles. I always just literally take a small bit, give it a twist, because then I've got the pressure coming in already. Always come from directly above, like imagine you're an ice cream machine. Now no one likes a dirty nozzle, do they? So always keep your nozzle clean. I'm going to do a swirl, so I'm going to do the one where you start in the middle, so give it a squeeze and wrap around. Stop squeezing and just whip off like that. There you go, around like that. See how they're kind of coming out in a few different colours. Which one do you want to use? The pink, the multi-tonal?
Let's start with simple. The simplest, so
Well,
maybe
do
your pink.
this one. Do your pink.
So pressure.
Yep.
I'm left-handed as well.
Same as me. Nice and close in, almost touching it.
Okay.
Squeeze tightly in and wrap around. Keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping, and then whip away. Yes.
Well,
that's it.
Yeah,
That's it.
But I mean, the difference is already apparent.
No. You've got. Do you know what the difference is? You've got a stronger squeeze than me. So all it
I'm
makes.
just obviously so strong.
Why don't you do a multi-tonal one?
I was going to
Yeah,
suggest. So
go
this is
for
what
it.
I'm excited about. This feels like I'm a design pro.
Once you commit to the squeeze, you keep going. That's it. Give it big. That's it. You can do a small. Yeah. Oh, you got. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Do you want to leave that on there or start again?
We'll start again with that
Yeah.
one.
Right answer.
Come on, I want
it's
this
just
to be
a bit
beautiful.
Too high.
This is my one opportunity in life to get this right.
Perfect stop. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Oh.
Well, it's a bit
Look at
better than
that now.
before. It's better.
That's
It's more
perfect.
spread out. I mean,
So these are really nice filler ones. I mean, I'm just going to go like freestyle and do a few like wiggles.
I'm liking this freestyle.
Yeah, so like just kind of do some sort of some waves.
Oh, we've gone off centre now. We've gone
Yeah,
off the top.
that's it. So now I'm going to start at the sides.
I mean, look at.
Oh, look at that.
I got it.
Beautiful.
Got
you
it.
got it. You got it.
I'm opening a
And you're
bakery
enjoying
soon.
this, you're
You can
enjoying
buy
this,
all my
aren't you?
cakes soon.
Yeah.
Did
doing
you
it.
go off sweet things because you did so much
No,
of this?
no, I've never really had a sweet tooth, but I really love eating. Like that's my favourite pastime in the world, especially
Mine
if it's
too.
crisps.
Oh my
Crisps
god,
and-
what sort of crisps?
The world's your oyster. I mean, you've got to go classics: cheese and onion, McCoy, Ridge.
Ridges, yeah.
So this nozzle, you can use it in different ways. So you have the fat part against the cake, and then you kind of drag along, and you get like a little
Ruffle.
ruffly effect like that.
Oh god.
Have a go with that, and then we can go crazy and just get them all covered.
Got to eat it first.
Yeah.
Right.
So fat bit touching the cake. That's it.
That bit there, and then.
That's it. Look at that. Yeah. Brilliant. Oh, you've done that before, haven't you?
Nope.
Oh well, you're an expert. That's the nozzle for you. Look at that. I think we should just start like
Just go
going
wild.
crazy and just get these covered, shall we?
Let's do
We should
it.
do a race. Set the clock. You've got a lot of pinks going on top of yours.
Look, I'm taking inspiration from
Yeah.
my shirt.
Look what I did. I did a kind of like carousel-y sort of bit over the top of
Alright,
my
you
thing.
show off.
We're just playing, really. Oh, that looks really good.
Considering I've never done this
It's
before.
harder to do it on the side of a cake than on the top. So, but you've done well there. And have you really enjoyed it? That's the
I've
most
loved
important
it.
thing.
I loved it. Honestly, I'm gonna do this every day. Do you think?
Swap you the yellow?
Yes.
Yellow for green. Oh, we've done it. Finito.
Oh my god, I thought this would take about 6 hours. Here we are.
Look at that. Look at that. That looks brilliant. Are you pleased with it?
I'm actually, this is the best thing I've ever made in all my life.
Yes.
Well, baking wise anyway.
Let's cut into this because it was so magical on the outside, I wanted to make it magical on the inside.
Is this just for me?
Just for you. I'm going to actually, we won't cut into yours so you can take it home and enjoy it.
This is the big reveal.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yes. Oh my god, it's like identical on the inside to the outside. You think you'd done this before?
Plop. Look at that.
Amazing.
We should have a taste, shouldn't we? Let's have a taste.
I'm gonna go wild.
Go
Bit
on,
of the
we
top,
can Go crazy. Look at that.
bit of the whole cake. It's fine, don't
Oh, I
cheers
know.
me.
Just went. Thank you so much, Ryan.
Thank you for
coming.
having me.
Thank you.
I'm still eating cake.
I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you all enjoyed that and feel inspired to make your own version of this, which we're not sure what it's called yet. And everything you need to make it is just down there. I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you soon for more videos. Bye.